I'm going to show you how to replace a stove switch. The rear burner is not working, and we tested the burner and found out that the switch is bad. And if you find the information in this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing we do is get the model number and look up parts. And once the part arrives, we turn the power off at the breaker. There's the switch that's not turning onto that rear burner. I actually swapped the burner and proved that it worked. So therefore the switch is bad. So the first thing we need to do is take off these 4 rear screws that hold the faceplate on where the switches are. And with those screws undone, you can pull it apart a little bit and we can get the switch out. Here's a new one. You can see it just has plugs in the back and it just plugs right in. So with the knob off, it slips right off. Undo these Phillips head screws and the switch comes loose. So with those undone, now we can pull the switch out and we just need to take the plugs out. Here's the bad one. You can see there's a burn mark in there where that black soot is. And that's what we're replacing. Here are the plugs. So we'll get the new one. And here is the new one compared to the old one. You can see that those black soot marks I was talking about. Just plug it back in how you took it out. And there's little clips that make sure it goes in the right way. So fit that back in there, slide it through the holes, and then get your screwdriver and put those Phillips head screws back in. Just make sure it's nice and tight, don't overdo it. And then you can put the knob back on, it slides right back on, and tighten those 4 screws in the back. Now the faceplate's back on, and we can turn the power on, and we're going to test that back burner, and look at that. It works. Now the back burner is working as it should. And if you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you can, please consider donating via the PayPal link in the video description.